is this? This is a bird. Hello, Mr. Bird. How are you? We're going to learn. Yeah. Number 2. Don't fear. Alright, here we are. 2 packets of cornmeal, 2 cucumber, 2 onions, 2 okra, then we have 2 nice tomatoes, and then we have 2 nice ginger cocktail, and then we have 2 saucepans, then we have these 2 nice little dolly. They are sister. How are you, sister? We are learning number 2, okay? And then we have, this is the number 2, 2 big one with 2 little, and then we have 2. So today we have learned to again 2 doll, number 2, 2 saucepan, 2 nice ginger cocktail, then we have 2 tomatoes, 2 okra, 2 onions, and then 2 cucumber, and 2 packet of cornmeal. Mr. Bird, did you understand that? Did you? Okay then, bye, don't fear. Mwah!